Hi, I'm Eva, and welcome to Learn Russian with Eva. Today we'll talk about one of the most useful things in any language: how to talk about what's yours. How to say, "This is my house," "This is my friend," or ask, "Whose is this?" In English, it's easy. One question, one form. Whose? But in Russian, we made it a bit trickier. We have 4 different questions: чей, чья, чье, чьи, because the question has to match the gender of the noun. But don't panic. We'll start simple. Just the masculine forms today. Чей, whose. This question we use for masculine nouns. Мой, my, or mine. Good news. In Russian, it's just one form. ТВОЙ, your or yours. Наш, our or ours. Ваш, your or yours. When you speak politely or to more than one person. How to build a phrase. If you introduce someone or something, start with это, then use a possessive pronoun, and then add the noun. Мой, my, or mine. Это мой друг. This is my friend. Это мой отец. This is my father. Это мой муж. This is my husband. Это мой телефон. It's my phone. Это мой дом. It's my house. Это мой чемодан. It's my suitcase. In Russian, both this is my and it's my are simply это мой. For a negative statement, just place the particle не before the pronoun. Это не мой друг. This is not my friend. Это не мой отец. This is not my father. Это не мой муж. This is not my husband. To ask a question, first use чей and then the noun. Чей ключ, whose key. Чей друг, whose friend. But for a more natural question, it's better to add это. Чей это ключ? Чей это друг? The meaning is the same, but the second version sounds more natural in Russian. Чей это телефон? Это мой телефон. Whose phone is this? This is my phone. Чей это брат? Мой. Whose brother is this? Mine. You're introducing your friend at a party. How would you say, "This is my friend"? Это мой друг. You're standing outside a country house with neighbors. How would you ask, "Whose is this house"? Чей это дом? Guys, if your brain hasn't melted yet, that means I saved it today. Don't you think I deserve some love? Then hit that like button and subscribe for more lessons like this one. Yes, yes, I see you. Do it before you forget. Твой, your or yours. Это твой сын. This is your son. Это твой парень. This is your boyfriend. Это твой офис. This is your office. Это твой город. This is your city. Это твой брат? Да, это мой брат. Is this your brother? Yes, this is my brother. Это твой офис? Да, это мой офис. Is this your office? Yes, this is my office. Это твой парень? Нет, это мой друг. Is this your boyfriend? No, this is my friend. You arrive at your friend's workplace. He invites you into a room. How would you ask, "Is this your office?" Это твой кабинет? In Russian, кабинет equals a specific private room Office equals the company's office space, often open plan, or workplace in general. If you're standing in his personal room, prefer «Это твой кабинет?» If you mean the workplace overall, «Это твой офис» is fine. Наш, our or ours. Это наш дедушка. This is our grandpa. Это наш сосед. This is our neighbor. Это наш план. This is our plan. Это наш проект. This is our project. You're on a video call with friends and show your kitten to the camera. How would you say, "This is our kitten"? Это наш котенок. Ваш. Your or yours. Это ваш учитель. This is your teacher. Это ваш менеджер. This is your manager. Это ваш отель. This is your hotel. Это ваш номер. This is your hotel room. Это ваш сын? Да, это наш сын. Is this your son? Yes, this is our son. Это ваш проект? Да, это наш проект. Is this your project? Yes, this is our project. Это ваш дядя? Нет, это наш сосед. Is this your uncle? No, this is our neighbor. An acquaintance is showing you family vacation photos. How would you ask, "Is this your father?" Это ваш отец?